Hi guys, it's Lisa. So today is April the 18th. So it's been 4 days since I've bought a condo. Last night was my first night actually sleeping here. We slept on air mattresses, and I believe in the clip before this or the video before this, I showed you an empty tour, but we have done some updates since then. So I just want to show you guys what's going on and what we've updated since then. So right now you're looking at the dining area. I don't know if you can tell, but we have painted. We went with the gray color. You can see that there. That is Repost Gray by Sherwin-Williams. And if you followed me on Instagram, you saw that I did a poll asking what color gray should I choose between agreeable gray and repost gray. So that is the color we went with for all of the living areas. We shined these floors up. It's been a couple days since I did them, but they look really nice. This big box here is my ceiling fans for the bedrooms. So I'll show you those in a little bit. So excuse the mess, there are things everywhere, but just have a few boxes. So this is the living area again. And just have some boxes from unpacking right there. Some paint that I need to paint my front door. There's my mom. This is the only furniture we have right now. She's on her iPad watching Eon Fix My Life. And this is some blinds for this window. The seller actually took the blinds. So these are just the temporary ready shades on there right now. There's a little paint drip on there from when we were painting, but I have those blinds that need to be installed. So I'm gonna maybe wait for my dad to do that. So let's go back around. So this is what the kitchen is looking like. Same gray color in here. There's just random stuff everywhere. I did bring over my flowers that y'all saw in the closing day video. And we had to deep clean the microwave and the stove and the refrigerator because it needed to be cleaned. Right now there's not much in here but drinks. Yeah, we don't have a lot of food yet. Haven't went shopping. But yeah, so here is my washer and dryer, guys. It looks so good. It fits perfectly in here. And I just have a random basket up there holding some laundry supplies, but I'm so glad we got these, you guys. They look great. It was the perfect size. There's a little space on each side, so I can fit my brooms and dust mops and everything in this corner. And they're great. I love them. We've washed a whole lot of loads. So they work perfectly. That was a great buy, $500. So this is the hallway. Let that focus. So you'll see it's my bedroom and my mom's room, my guest room. And this is the bathroom. So still have some bathroom things that needs to be unpacked. I did bring over a few boxes before the movers come with the bigger boxes and my furniture. So we did the same gray in here, and we did have to paint the ceiling in here because there were some marks up there. Right now I don't have much going on in the bathroom. That's me. Hi guys, I did put up this shower curtain. I'll show you guys. This is a shower curtain from the Target Opal House line, and I love it. I just have my old hooks. They were just like crystal balls, but I think it is so pretty against this gray neutral color. So I want to do like golds and like whites and golds in here to complement it, black, white, and gold maybe. So we'll see. My plan so far is to add shelving, like 2 shelves on this wall. This where I had my those shelves that I had in front of my bed nook. I don't know if you guys remember, but they're pretty long, and so I think they would look nice right here against this wall. And right here I do have towel rack, and it has the toilet paper holder and like the little decorative towel holder and a robe hook. So we'll put those up somewhere in this vicinity. So yep, that's the bathroom. Sorry if I'm making you guys dizzy. So this is where my mom has been crashing during the day. We just have our air mattresses out right now. And so we did this color in a really pretty sage color. So it is called Rain Washed by Sherwin-Williams. It's like a light greenish blue. I don't know, it was green, but it kind of gives off a blue vibe on camera. But I think it came out really, really pretty. You can kind of see the difference against the gray and the blue there. So it's a nice, calming, soothing color. She really, really loved it. So I love how it turned out. And yeah, so I'm gonna put my current bed in here, which is the white iron bed from IKEA. So I think the whites, the sage, and the mud cloth vibe is what I'm gonna go in here. So what I'm gonna put in here. So we'll see how that turns out. And this is my room. So it is a little bit darker because this light fixture is pretty dark, but that's what my new lights are for. So this is the purple that I went with, guys. It is called Ash Violet by Sherwin-Williams. And like I said, it looks really dark in here right now and the blinds are closed, but I love it. It is such a calming, subtle, I don't know if it's subtle, but I love it. My favorite color is purple. And these are just my bags here. But yeah, this is where I slept last night. I can't wait to get my mattress. Well, I have my mattress. I just can't wait to get my bed. So yeah, that is the color that I went with for my bedroom. We were replacing these blinds, so that's what these long boxes are beside every window. And in my closet, I do have my mattress, and my mom hung up a few clothes for me. So it's a little dark, but she hung up some things for me. And then that right there is my mattress in that box. So as soon as my bed gets here on Friday with the rest of my furniture, I'll be able to unbox my bed. I may do a how I make my bed series, or I don't know, but I don't have any bedding yet, so that may not be a good idea. So yeah, that is what it's looking like. And this is the view down the hall from the bedroom. So like I said, I'm loving these floors right now. But today we don't have too much that we're doing. Actually, let me go ahead and open up these ceiling fans because I really want to show you guys and I want to see them myself. So, all right, so these are the ceiling fans, and I'm a little worried that they're going to be too big, but we'll see. Hold on. Yes, so these are my ceiling fans, guys. They are so cute to me. They have the gold base here, and these are actually reversible blades, so it can either be white or this natural wood color, and then that's a big white globe here. So this is all in Spanish, but it has a control panel, like for your remote, and LED light is included. Also, this says 132 centimeters. I think it's like 52 inch blade. So that's why I was a little worried about. Yeah. So hopefully it says it's for a large room. So my rooms are not large, but we will see how it looks. I'll put one up, and then if I don't like it, I'll send them back. But hopefully it works out. So yeah, there are a few other things that just need to be installed, like the blinds and the bathroom bars and things like that. But in a little while, we're gonna go over to my apartment. I'll still have things there, do some cleaning and bring some more boxes over. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. straight back there, and I'll take you guys back there in a minute. But behind the living area is the dining area.